Cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria are actually the largest and the most diverse group of photosynthetic bacteria, and they were previously known as blue-green algae. If we take a deep breath, we will feel that our lungs expand. This is due to the intake of oxygen from the atmosphere. So we, in addition to other organisms, take in oxygen. So the question is, where did this oxygen come from? The answer which first comes into our mind is that photosynthetic plants. But we know that the first photosynthetic plant originated 475 million years ago from today. But we have certain evidences which shows that oxygen was present even 2.3 billion years ago. So the answer is cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria actually was the cause of release of oxygen in the ancient times. So these are oxygenic phototrophs. Oxygenic means they are able to generate and release oxygen, while the phototrophs means that they use light energy or light photon for nourishment. So they capture light energy from the sun and produce oxygen. They also have pigments. They have phycocyanin, which is a blue pigment. In addition, they have chlorophyll A, which is green pigment. That is why they were previously called blue-green algae. Talking about the morphology of bacteria, these cyanobacteria, they are 1 to 10 micrometer in diameter, and they are unicellular in morphology, or they may be filamentous. In case they are filamentous, these filaments are called trichomes, and they are surrounded by mucilaginous sheath, and they may be colonial. They have heterocyst. Heterocyst is actually a thickened cell, almost round, and it has a role in nitrogen fixation. And they also have resting spore or resting condition, which is called as akinete, and it is a resting condition, and when favorable conditions are attained, the akinete may then reproduce the cyanobacteria. The Harmogonia are actually the fragments which are formed at the point of these heterocyst. हेट्रोसिस्ट के पॉइंट पे ये ट्राइकोम जो है ब्रेक होता है और डिफरेंट हार्मोगोनिया फॉर्म होते हैं, एंड दिस इज द type of asexual reproduction in these cyanobacteria. Talking about the economic importance of cyanobacteria, they have a role in the reclamation of alkaline soil. In addition, they have symbiotic relationship with protozoa and fungi, and they also have photosynthetic partners in lichen association, and they release oxygen in the environment due to photosynthesis. In addition, they have a role in bloom formation. When conditions are favorable, they divide, and इनकी generation increase होती है, and as a result we can see the scum on water surface, or due to this scum or bloom formation एक unpleasant सा odor भी produce हो जाता है. Talking about the examples of cyanobacteria, we have spirulina, which is filamentous cyanobacteria, and as it is rich in vitamins and certain other nutrients, they are packed and they are used as nutritional supplements. Then we have anabaina, and they have a heterocyst in their trichomes, and they have a role in a symbiotic association with plants. And then we have nostoc, which is a filamentous cyanobacteria again, and it too has a heterocyst, and it has a sheath around, mucilaginous sheath around it, and in many countries they are cultivated and they are taken as food there.